When we heard about the Pride of Place funding, we decided there was colossal things that we could spend the money on, but the small war memorial, it had a wooden crosses that we replace each year, which was costing us quite a bit of money. So we decided if we could get the funds to do some metal ones, and we had a local lad, Max Afscriff, who designed the crosses and fitted them so they're vandal-proof, so each year now they won't have to be replaced. We also used the money for cleaning the block paving and the war memorial, and we've also got a little bit left now toward event for next year. The Pride of Place funding has really helped make the park look a better place, so we feel great that everybody can walk in here and it looks clean, tidy, and so Remembrance Day now will look a lot better because of the crosses and the clean paving.
My granddad did the same job. He actually made the frame that the poppy just sat on. So obviously when I got the call to do the poppy, it was really good. I wanted it to be reminiscent of a traditional poppy, but with a bit of a modern take on it. So the idea was when the sun hits it, it casts a shadow of the cross, but through that shadow you see a poppy shining through. Everyone's really liked it. It's been great. It's made me feel quite proud. Brought my granddad down to see it. He didn't really know we were doing it, and having made the frame initially, we're just really proud that both me and him have got something that's going to be here for a really long time.